Hi, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have saved the model, the iris model, and also the pre-processing functions like this one, my pipe. It's a pipeline that wherein it pre-process the data. We save that one, and also after the model, the output of the model, we also save this one hot after, or this is the re what you call this, from a one hot encoder we inverse the process, inverse transform, and make it again from 0 to 2. So there are three inputs, it will 0 1 and 2. Okay, so we save this pre-process, and then we also save this TensorFlow model. We save it at model save iris model save format tf. Now we're going to create a module. This module, here it is. So this module is the one that we're going to use if we're going to reuse the model on different data sets, which means that it will be standalone. The model will be standalone, and it will be attached to its what you call this training set. So if we're going to deploy or use it in production, so we're going to need this module. Okay, so in this module we import these libraries for the job, and then if you can still remember, this is the class preprocessor. This class was made in the when we create the model, so we copy paste it. So this is a custom transformer wherein wherein the input data is being clustered. Okay, so the sepal is clustered using three k-means and also the petals. So this is now the class. So this is the class that we're going to use in predicting another data set. So I call it iris model. So to initialize the class, um, the keras model should be loaded. This one, the model that we save in the system folder, and also we're going to load the pre-processing functions or classes, and then we're going to load again the post-processing. This is one hot after, so we're going to load this tree. So if we're going to create an instance of this class iris model, so it will automatically load these three things. Okay, then I also created the function, the method predict. So in this method predict, it will start first to transform the new data set. Okay, and afterwards it will predict this is already, the data set is already transformed here. It will predict it, and the output will be here. And then afterwards we're going to inverse transform it, so that the final output of this container are the numbers 0 1 and 2, which pertains to the three different types of flowers, iris flower. Okay, now also define a method called confusion matrix. This is it will create a data frame based on the predicted values. Okay, the predicted values, this one x, and what you call this, the actual values or the target values. I put here reshape because the target values are usually um in columns, so if we're going to reshape it will become in rows. Okay, so this method will return a table containing the confusion matrix. Next is a score. This is a method that will compute for the accuracy of the model given a new set of data set. Okay, so it will create if x, or the predicted values, is equal to y, the, the actual or the true values, then it will be true. Then that will be 1. So if we sum it up, So that will be the accuracy. And then we divide this one by the number of inputs, or number of predicted values. So how many, in percentage terms, how many were predicted correctly and how many were not. So it will return in what you call, not in percentage terms but in decimal or fractional terms. Okay, so this is the module now that we're going to use. Okay, and if we are going to, next thing is, I need to, what you call this, I need to make this a Python script and name it iris underscore module dot py. Okay, and use that Python script for load it again for a new Python script or Python process in predicting new datasets. Okay, so that is for now. Thank you for watching. See you again for the next video. Bye.